Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today somebody gave me some large pieces of wood, and we're going to turn them into some cleaver-looking wine cheese meat boards for our wine party coming up next month. So follow along as we try to make something cool out of these pieces of wood. Alright, I don't have the heart to cut this one up. It's got a lot of bark here, so we'll be removing all the bark and seeing what it looks like from that point. Hopefully we can keep it as much as possible of the wood and see what it looks like before we start cutting onto this one. I don't know, got some cool ideas for this one, and we'll see how it looks with all the bark off. May have to change my idea up, but we'll find out. Then I got this large piece here that we're going to actually cut into two, and I'm going to turn these into cleaver looking style pieces since it's already got our little cleaver edge here going. So we'll try to go with that pattern. Now this is just a home project, just for fun, and well, if I mess up, I mess up, and if they come out good, well, we'll use them for our party and enjoy them for a little bit. So let's give it a try. First, getting the bark off and cutting this into at least a cleaver style look, and then we can go from there when both pieces are down to sanding and getting to work really on the pieces. So let's get started. It's time to start sanding. First, we're going to use our tool here, our disc sander slash belt sander, and we're just going to go over most of the piece that we can, and then we'll use our palm sander to get the rest, and then we'll go to a lighter sand, starting with, I think this is 60 or 80. Our palm will be 80, and then we'll go all the way down to 220 before we start waxing. So we got a lot of sanding to do. Should be fun. Let's get started. here we are, finally done. It's in our kitchen, and we're ready for that wine party that we're gonna throw in just in a few short weeks. This was a nice piece of wood that we sanded, smoothed out, got rid of all the bark, sanded it down with 80 grit. We went all the way down to 220, and then we butcher block waxed the piece. And well, I really like how it turned out. The whole piece looks amazing, and this is gonna look great for our party. So, if you like many of our projects, or this one in particular, keep watching, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and leave a comment. What's your thoughts on a cool piece like this for a party?